Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. And today I'm going to give you guys another tutorial about how to get a free website for your state funds or your asset recovery business in general. So today's going to be really, really good. Before I get into that, again, I just want to say thank you for all the people who have given PayPal donations, liked the video, subscribe to the channel. If you guys haven't done that, go and do it now. Seriously, you guys, I've been doing this for over a decade. I've been in the creative real estate and asset recovery business. And so on this website, not this website, on this YouTube channel, I give away a lot of my top deep and dirty little secrets on how you can monetize things cheaper, quicker, faster, easier with less resources. And here is one of those things, and it is how to get a free state funds website for your business. Okay. So without further ado, let's get into this thing. Okay. So you guys, one of the big things that I have people asking me questions about all the time when in terms of people just getting started in this business is, oh, Dave, I need to get my business cards first. I need to get my website first. I need this. I need this. I need this. And I'll be the first person to tell you, you don't need any of that bullshit. All you need is some courage, a stack of leads, and the ability to put the freaking gas pedal, punch that thing through the floorboard, and just work your ass off. But, when you start growing and you start getting your business to where you're scaling things out, you're going to want to have some things in place to give you some credibility and some authority in your marketplace. And so this is, in my opinion, probably the cheapest, quickest, fastest, easiest way to get a personal website set up to where you can showcase your business and what you have to offer for people. Yes. So without further ado, here we go. The very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to GoDaddy.com or any other domain provider. I like GoDaddy. And what you're going to do is you're going to purchase a domain name for your business if you haven't already. Okay, so that's step one. Okay, now after the domain name is purchased, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go, where is that? You're going to want to go to Google My Business /create, and you're going to want to create a storefront for your business. Now, I know what you guys are thinking, oh my gosh, I don't want to put my house address here. Well, you know what? Like, I did it before and nobody ever came and bugged me. And you know what? Like, not only did I, and again, I'm not suggesting, so I'm going to tell you guys how to kind of cloak it up here in a minute. Not only did I have my old address on one of these, but I also didn't do the domain privacy, which on almost all of my domains that I hold, which, gosh, I have like 45 of them now. Most of them don't have it. But you guys, even if you do, to start off, before you transfer this to a real office, when you guys move up, I mean, it's not really going to be that big of a problem. If you want to spend some money, you could go get a P.O. box, okay, and have that be the physical location for your business per se. But what's going to happen is Google, whatever address you put in there, Google is going to send you a verification slip. It's going to take 3 to 5 days to get to the mail. Once you can type in that little number, they're going to give you a Google My Business account. It's going to look like this, right? And what a lot of people don't know is that with a Google My Business account, they also give you a free Google website. Now, here is the one for my business. Okay, as you can see, there isn't a whole lot here. And I can dress this thing up. I know a lot of you guys could spend time and really make this thing look sexy, but for a basic website, it does everything you need to do. It has a little bit of a call to action right here. You can communicate with people. They can message you directly, and it gives you the stance that you are a little bit bigger than you might be, right? So how this would work is like this. With your Google My Business account on the website, it's going to be your name, your business name dot business site, right? What you're going to do is you're just going to copy that. Then you're going to go back into your GoDaddy account or wherever your domain provider is. And on that one domain name, here is mine, my back office of GoDaddy, you would just stick this address right here in the forwarded section for the domain. Now, what it's going to look like after everything's said and done, Blackstone asset recovery. Boom. See? That's what it's going to look like. You're going to type in, so on your business card, you'll be able to put www dot whatever your business name is, and it's going to make it look a lot more clean. But you guys, this is the quickest, fastest, cheapest way for you to get a website set up for your own business. Now, again, you guys, websites are great, but I don't want you guys to put too much of an emphasis on getting the best looking business cards or spending a bunch of money on a website. Okay, that's not going to make you a whole bunch of money in this industry, and that's the only reason why we're here. You're even watching this video. Okay, what's going to make you a whole bunch of money is picking up the damn phone and prospecting like your life depends on it. Now, I know that these other things are important too. So when it comes to the website, you guys, this is the best. But with that being said, again, you guys, my name's David Wilkerson. This is Surplus Funds 101. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you really liked it, volunteer a PayPal donation. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.